cellulite. So basically and full body exfoliation. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there and all the expecting mothers. So today I wanted this video to be as brief as possible, although I have so many things to talk about. Number one, this blender. I bought this blender because of course I make smoothies, I make like recipes and stuff like that, and like it's a main gadget to have in the kitchen. I use it to make almond milk, so I was making almond milk during the week and I was like planning some content, and while I was making the almond milk it died on me. Like, what the hell, like what the hell, for real, what the hell. Anyway, so what I wanted to show you guys today, two brief things I wanted to talk about are cellulite and full body exfoliation. So I'm doing this homemade body scrub to exfoliate my skin. I showed you how to do aloe vera. I just wanted to blend it, mix it with my coconut oil and use it on my skin as my moisturizer. Coconut oil, the same coconut oil I use in the kitchen, but I can't blend it. So because I cannot blend it, I have to like use a mortar. You can see, and it's really hard because it's slimy, so every time you're doing that it slides away, so it takes a lot of work. That's why I'm not really happy with this blender business. Anyway, so I've done this, and my exfoliate is just going to contain, this is also part of the aloe vera, some of it, so I'm just going to get some of it and add in this so that I have enough for my whole body, and add some baking soda, and the last ingredient is coconut oil, which I'm going to warm up in the blender. It's still a bit solid, and mix it all up together and put it all on my body. I mean, you work on your skin, but don't only work on your facial skin, you have to work the rest of the body, because man, you guys, you wear short clothes, I mean, the sun is going to burn you and all that stuff, and you're going to show some skin. If you lose weight, like, you have cellulite, number one. Number two, if you haven't been really eating well, sometimes your skin breaks out, but you just want your whole skin to glow generally. That's the reason why I want to exfoliate my whole body, and for that I've showed you what I'm going to use. Now for the cellulite, I know there are very many things you can do to like reduce cellulite slowly by slowly, because it doesn't go away in one time unless you use like the machine kind of cellulite where that stuff, but I'm not using a machine, I'm using all natural ways. So what I have is this brush. There are so many ways and I don't want to go into them right now. I'm just going to split this video of the cellulite video into different sections because I do them differently, not all at once. This week I've been doing this brush. You can use this like a brush like this, or like a small brush. This brush actually hurts my hand. I was using it and it hurts my hand, and the next best thing I have is a nail brush. I'm going to go buy a smaller one, a palm brush where I can put my hand in so that it's easy to use. So number one cellulite buster is massage. So if you guys work out and your body gets tired, I mean, of course, sorry, let me rephrase that. Number one cellulite buster is working out. When you work out, you burn fat cells, and those fat cells are, aka cellulite, burn slowly, but when those don't go away so fast, another thing you can do, number two, is get regular massages every time you work out. Massaging actually also boosts your weight loss program because it busts the fat cells. When you're working out, not all the fat cells are burnt. So if you massage your skin, the fat cells that are hiding under the skin it busts them and helps with blood flow. That's how do I explain this? When you massage the skin, it busts the little fat cells, the little stubborn fat cells, and helps with proper blood flow. So especially if you're like having a plateau, it helps with breaking that plateau. And yeah, another thing, that was number two. Number three, drink a lot of water. I'm pretty sure you've had this so many times. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water because it flushes everything out of your system. The more you pee, the more you're flushing all those toxins, that fats, blah blah blah, everything goes away. And then where I started from, which comes to the brush. something I've been doing. It's also like a massage. Well, if you cannot afford a massage, here is my brush. Two things, you can use both. You can go for a massage and use the brush, but just because I cannot go for a massage, I use this brush daily, which I started this week. Let me show you how to use it using this little brush, because this one kind of hurts. So basically what you do is get this little brush and run it all the way from down, coming up in circles to help your blood flow run properly, break the loose skin, like take away all the dead skin on your skin, and also loosen up the fat cells under your skin. So it's like a massage. You do this everywhere you have cellulite all over your body, but you start from down coming up in circles. And then also the same thing with the tummy. I do this every day. Well, I've done it every day since Wednesday. So you can do this every day or as many times as you can. I personally, since I work from home, it's easy to do daily. So I've done it every day since Wednesday this week. And I know it's too early to tell, but I feel better. I actually feel better doing it. And for me, sometimes everything starts with my mind. If I'm happy with stuff in my mind, everything just works out. So I use this everywhere, even my arms, everywhere that I feel like I have cellulite. Anyway, now that that's done, I wanted to show you another thing, which is my skin exfoliate. Like I said, do not only focus on your facial skin. You have to focus on your whole body skin, because you guys, I don't know about you, but I'm one of those people that like to show skin. Even aside from showing skin, I want all my skin, like my whole skin, to look good. Like, I don't know, I just like to be pretty and look good. Anyway, so guys, I've already shown you this before, but let me show it to you again if you didn't watch that video. But if you want to check it out for more details, check it out. I'm going to leave a link above. Basically what you do, in here there is some aloe vera that I made, and then add coconut oil. This is about a cup of coconut oil. I need it all to be in there. And then after the coconut oil, just get some, this is going to act as our scrub. This is about so since it's for my whole body, I need to like make enough. That was about, it wasn't full, so you add about a tablespoon of baking soda. So just mix everything together until it's properly mixed. Okay guys, so I'm going to head to the bathroom and show you guys a little bit while I'm putting it on my face and part of my body, and then I'll come back and tell you guys how I feel. Okay, see you then. Oh sorry, let's go to the bathroom. I already washed my face, well, with just water, so I'm just going to put this everywhere. Oh my god, it's so slimy. I don't know why I'm surprised. Oh my god. I don't want that anywhere close to my lips because it's so bitter, but I wanted to say something. Also, aloe vera helps to take away spots. I told you guys in the previous video. So if you have like dark armpits and stuff like that, this is really good. Like, it actually helps. So you can put that around your armpits. And since we are talking weight loss in my videos, if you're a bit of a so sorry for the language, but if you're a bit overweight, and you know, like your thighs kind of like rub and they cause like some darkness, you can also put in between your legs, in between your thighs, and keep it there for a while. So for your thighs, you can actually use aloe vera and lemon daily between your legs for like a couple, in between your thighs for like a couple of minutes every day, maybe after work or before when you take a shower in the morning, and then wash it off. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my body because it's a whole body thing. I can't show you that, but yeah, I'll be back after this. You guys, I cannot say how good I feel after this whole process. I know it might take time and like a lot of work to put in it, but you don't have to do it every day. And now that I'm done, I feel so good. Like I feel my skin feels so fresh, my whole body skin, and so because of the coconut oil, my whole skin is moisturized. And I wanted to mention another thing for stretch marks. This whole mix also helps for stretch marks, so you don't have to do it every day. You can do it once a week or like twice a month. But if you're like me that wants to get results, I definitely won't do this every day, but I probably do it once a week. And I feel so good. My skin, like my body is so moisturized. Also, I wanted to say that I used coconut oil on my face. My sister recently reminded me about coconut oil, so I've been using it on my whole skin. The same coconut oil I use in the kitchen is the same coconut oil I use on my skin. And I wanted to do this. I wanted to use aloe vera on my skin because aloe vera has like skin healing components. So I wanted to use it. I wanted to use it every day, like as a moisturizer with the coconut oil, but I can't use it because I can't mix it all together. That's the reason why I'm so mad my blender doesn't work. Like I can't use it properly. It's still like chunky, so I can't mix it together. But of course, I'll improvise to use it. Today I just moisturize with the same coconut oil. Also, I want to tell you guys, because I can't use that aloe vera, I bought some aloe vera online from Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. You can also get yourself one. It's actually really cheap. I think it's like $15, and yeah, it's organic, and I think that should be okay. So that's what I'm going to use to make the mix, my moisturizing mixture, which is coconut oil and aloe vera, so that I can put it on my body every day for its healing purposes. It helps with like cracking skin, acne, stretch marks, I don't know, all the good stuff. So you guys need to get yourself one of those. Anyway, I want to sign out of this video. It has been really long, like it's taken so much time to record. Anyway, I don't know if you can see the mat over there. That is my mat for my 200 crunches for 7 days challenge, and the video is going to be up right after this one, which is like in 2 days. And I hope you guys enjoy that, and the progress is actually really good. So stay tuned to watch that. Subscribe to be notified when that video comes out, and if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you want to see more content like this, food, health, healing naturally, recipes, all the good stuff, weight loss, my weight loss journey, as well as get motivation from me and stuff like that, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll leave another link in the description below to my Facebook support group where you guys can join and we can support each other during this weight loss journey. And yeah, by the way, I know it's a 6-week program, but for me, I'm planning to make it a lifestyle. I hope you are too. Talk too much already. Bye guys, see you next time, or see you in 2 days with my 200 crunches challenge. Bye.